I remember my first ride on a two-stroke. The raw power was exhilarating. But do people really understand the difference between two-stroke and four-stroke engines? It's a debate that echoes through every motorcycle meet two-stroke versus four-stroke. What do you think? This debate is as old as motorcycles themselves. Which engine truly reigns supreme? Share your thoughts in the comments. Buckle up, petrol heads. We're diving into the thrilling world of two wheels and two very different engines. Have you ridden both? It's about the feeling you get when you twist that throttle and feel the engine roar. Which one gives you that rush? Are you a two-stroke rebel craving raw power? Let us know in the poll, or a four-stroke aficionado seeking a smooth, refined ride. Comment below and tell us why. Let's find out. Let's dive into the thrilling world of motorcycle engines. Have you ever wondered why some riders swear by two-stroke engines while others are die-hard four-stroke fans? Two-strokes are like the caffeinated boxers of the motorcycle world. They pack a punch. With every revolution, they deliver a powerful kick, making them the adrenaline junkie's favorite. They're lightweight and simple, with fewer moving parts. This simplicity translates to less maintenance and easier repairs, making them a favorite for those who love to tinker. This means they rev high and deliver power in a short, intense burst. The high RPMs are thrilling, giving riders an immediate response and a sense of raw power. It's an exhilarating, almost violent experience, like being shot out of a cannon. The rush of speed and the aggressive power delivery make every ride an adventure. Four-strokes, on the other hand, are the marathon runners. They are built for endurance and efficiency, making them ideal for long journeys. They're more complex, with valves and cams doing a delicate dance inside. This complexity allows for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions, making them more environmentally friendly. They offer smoother power delivery over a wider rev range. This means you get a consistent and reliable performance, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. It's a more controlled, refined experience, like a powerful wave carrying you forward. The smooth acceleration and steady power make for a relaxing and enjoyable ride. Two-strokes are about instant, explosive power, perfect for quick bursts and aggressive riding. They're the choice for motocross and off-road enthusiasts who need that immediate thrust. Four-strokes deliver smooth, consistent power, ideal for longer rides and cruising. They are the go-to for touring and long-distance riders who value comfort and reliability over raw power. In the end, whether you prefer the explosive energy of a two-stroke or the smooth, enduring power of a four-stroke, both types of engines offer unique experiences that cater to different riding styles and preferences. So which one do you think will come out on top? The choice is yours, and it all depends on what kind of ride you're looking for. Stay tuned to find out. Happy riding! Section 4, trading horses or motorcycles. A ride to remember. In the world of motorcycling, there's a unique camaraderie that exists among riders. It's a bond forged through shared experiences, mutual respect, and sometimes the willingness to swap bikes for a ride. Today, Jake and Mike are about to embark on such an adventure, trading their trusted steeds for a taste of something different. Jake eyes Mike's gleaming four-stroke with suspicion. He's always been a two-stroke guy, loving the raw, unfiltered power it delivers. The four-stroke, with its polished exterior and smooth lines, seems almost too refined for his taste. It's so clean and shiny. Jake can't help but wonder if it rides as smoothly as it looks. He's used to the grit and grime of his own bike, which wears its battle scars with pride. Mike, meanwhile, is staring at Jake's two-stroke like it's an alien artifact. The two-stroke's aggressive stance and raw power are a stark contrast to his own bike's smooth demeanor. He's intrigued, but also a bit apprehensive. He cautiously throws a leg over and revs the engine nervously. The sound is different, more aggressive, almost like a beast waiting to be unleashed. He takes a deep breath, trying to steady his nerves. The first thing Jake notices on the four-stroke is the smooth power delivery. It's a revelation. The bike accelerates with a steady, almost predictable force, unlike the wild, untamed bursts he's used to. It's a different kind of fast, not the explosive burst he's used to, but a steady, building force. He finds himself adjusting to this new rhythm, appreciating the control it offers. He finds himself cruising comfortably, enjoying the scenery for possibly the first time ever. The smooth ride allows him to take in the world around him, something he rarely does on his own bike. Mike, on the other hand, is clinging on for dear life as the two-stroke leaps forward with every twist of the throttle. The bike's raw power is exhilarating but also a bit terrifying. He's not used to this much power, so suddenly each twist of the throttle feels like a wild ride, and he struggles to keep the bike under control. He stalls it twice at a traffic light, much to the amusement of a group of scooter riders. Their laughter is good-natured, but it adds to his frustration. By the end of the day, both riders are exhausted, but have a newfound appreciation for the other's choice of motorcycle. They sit down, sharing stories of their rides, laughing at their struggles, and marveling at the differences. It's been a day of discovery, not just about the bikes, but about themselves as riders. They realize that every motorcycle has its own unique charm, and that sometimes stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to the most memorable experiences. They learned that it's not about which engine is better, but about finding the right fit for your riding. They learned that it's not about which engine is better, but about finding the right fit for your riding. They learned that it's not about which engine is better, but about finding the right fit for your riding.